today we have another Monday makeover, and today we are using the Tammi X Tropical Paradise palette by Revolution. Now this palette has been out for a while, but I thought I would give it the Monday makeover treatment. So if you want to see the tutorial, keep on watching. is the tutorial using the Tropical Paradise palette and the finished look. The glitter liner I used was the Collection's Glam Crystals liner in the Funk shade, which is a beautiful gold, which I really think really adds something to this look. I loved using this palette. It was really easy to work with. The transition colours were easily blendable, and they didn't just disappear into one another. They kept their colour, they kept their place, but blended together beautifully. The shimmer shadows I used on my lid, the gold and the green. At first the gold doesn't go on very well on top of the cut crease concealer, but once I started packing it on, it did sort of get that pigmentation that I wanted. And I really love like the blend from the gold into the green, and then put the darker green on the outside just to darken that that outer corner up. This palette for me has everything that I want in a palette. Shiny front. If you want to know why I use a gadget, it's because my nails are jewels, not tools, as the saying goes. So yeah, so this is inside the palette, and what I really love about this is this for me is far too light a transition shade, and these three along the top here are meant to be transition shades, but this is not a transition shade. This is an all over the lid sort of setting powder for me. But it's also a really nice brow bone highlight, matte brow bone highlight if I want to go there. These two shades here are perfect inner corner highlights. You've got the gorgeous orange, and you've got some really nice matte greens and blues. The whole composition of this palette just goes with everything, and it's not just like there's a pop of blue in here. It actually it fits. The pop of blue fits in here. The greens, the golds, the oranges, the pinks, they all fit together, and I think this is a palette that I could take away on holiday with me and have a different look every single day, because it just has everything that I would want in a palette. It's got everything. It's got your matte, it's got your shimmers, it's got your brow bone highlight, your inner corner highlight, your darkened outer corner. It has everything. This and a little bit of glitter, and you have a stunning eye look. It blends together nicely, it sits nicely on the eyes. I have tried this look previously before, and I do struggle with watery eyes. This stayed. It stayed on my lids. It didn't move. It didn't wear away easily. I would definitely say, if you haven't got this palette and you're looking for a colourful eyeshadow palette, or just something where you can dabble in and out of colours but still have some really nice neutrals as well, this is definitely a palette that I would suggest picking up, because it is a stunning palette. This was a gift given to me by a very true friend, and I'm so grateful that she did, because you know what, I almost didn't pick this up. Almost. I was umming and ahhing about whether I was going to get it or not, and then my friend kindly sent it to me, and I'm so grateful, because I love this palette and I can see me using this a lot. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you'll be notified when the next Monday makeover goes up, or any other video that I plan to do in the future, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.